वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। इससे पहले मैं एक लाइव स्ट्रीम बिल्कुल अभी अपलोड कर चुका हूँ, तो मैंने कहा एक वीडियो भी बना लेते हैं। तो दिस इज़ द बे फॉर टुडे। गिल्टी longinus Hasbro slingshot version, sorry. So you can see this has a QR code, so it is a Hasbro Pay. It does not have metals, pure plastic guys, so it is a disappointing way. And this is the disc, which is 13 disc. And this driver is an interesting part. It actually has rubber and has two modes. This one is called the slingshot mode, in which the height is increased, and this is called normal mode. Height is normal. So nothing more about this pay. Let's try this against some other Hasbro pays that I have. Going on with this Emperor Furnius Hasbro edition. This is, I don't know, a slingshot or whatever. So 3 2 1, let's rip. 3 2 1, let it rip. So it was the normal mode. We did not done anything quite good to Emperor Furnius. Let's try some lower bass. So by some lower bass I mean some cheap Hasbro bass, such as this kinetic Saturn or Christ Satan, whatever you can say. So nothing good against Saturn also. And guys, never mind the English. My English is not very good. Now we are launching longinus in the low mode or the normal mode. So the rotor defense mechanism of Saturn is working very good, and the winner is Saturn. Now we are doing this against Neptune or the unknown bay. I think it's Neptune. So let's do it. 3 2 1. It is also a Hasbro Bay, guys. 3 2 1. So you can see how bad longinus is. This is the definition of a bad bay. Three to one. It's a spin finish, and win is for Neptune. Neptune wins. So let's go more downwards and just try to make it win these two. So this is Ragnarok pre-dual there, or whatever you can say. Ragnarok also wins. Quite a shame for Turbo Way. Here we have another Ragnarok with a different combo. So Ragnarok means so guys, please subscribe the channel. The aim is 1000 subscribers or 1k subscribers in this year. So if you can make me get there or help me get there, I will be very thankful. So I will meet you in the next video, and also you can give me your opinion of which way I should unbox next. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.